In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to N8N. By the end, you'll have a working connection so your Shopify store can trigger automated workflows in N8N with confidence and clarity. Start by heading to your N8N instance, whether that's cloud or self-hosted. Sign in and open the editor so you're on the main canvas. This is where you'll build and test everything. If you're new to N8N, think of the canvas as your automation workspace where each node represents a tool or action. Next, click on Create Workflow. Give your workflow a clear name so you can recognize it later, something like Shopify to N8N Sync. Naming isn't required, but it helps when you come back to refine or expand your automations. You'll see an empty canvas ready for your first node. Now, search for Shopify. Use the Node panel or the Add Node button. Type Shopify and select the Shopify option that appears. This brings the Shopify integration into your workflow so N8N can communicate with your store. Then choose your trigger. A trigger is the event in Shopify that starts the workflow, such as a new order, a paid order, a new customer, or a product update. Select the event that matches your use case. For example, if you want to react as soon as an order is placed, pick the new order trigger. This choice determines when N8N begins listening and what data it will receive from Shopify, so pick carefully and feel free to adjust later if your needs change. Finally, apply your API credentials and the remaining required fields. In N8N, open the Credentials section for the Shopify node and create a new credential. You'll need your Shopify store domain and an admin API access token. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and open the area to develop or manage custom apps. Create or select a custom app. Configure the admin API scopes that match what your workflow needs. Install the app and reveal the access token. Copy your store domain in the format your-store.myshopify.com, then paste the domain and the access token into N8N. Keep these details secure and never share them publicly. Save the credential, return to the node, and fill any additional fields required by your selected trigger. Use test mode or run the node to confirm that N8N receives sample data. When you're satisfied, save the workflow. From here, your chosen Shopify event will automatically kick off the workflow, letting your automations run reliably in the background.